Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now let's understand gateway load balancer in AWS. So this is very different from application load balancer and network load balancer. In AWS, gateway load balancer works at layer 3, which is network layer of OSI model. So gateway load balancer is used to manage network security appliances. Example of these appliances are firewalls, intrusion detection system, IDS, intrusion prevention system, IPS. So gateway load balancer is not used for normal web traffic, and gateway load balancer is designed to distribute and scale security system, not application traffic. Now let's look into the components of gateway load balancer. So the main component is gateway load balancer itself, which receives network traffic and distribute it to security applications. And the second is target group. In gateway load balancer, target group contain firewalls and security appliances. So traffic is forwarded to these devices for inspection. So gateway load balancer utilizes a special protocol called Geneve. It's encapsulate traffic and send it to security appliances. So its simple explanation is, let's say original traffic is wrapped inside another packet and then sent to firewall, and firewall inspects it and send back to the network. Now Geneve allows secure and efficient traffic inspection. Now let's understand the complete flow of gateway load balancer. User traffic enters the network and traffic is routed to gateway load balancer. Gateway load balancer forward that traffic to target group, and target group will then send this traffic to security appliances, and appliance inspects traffic and traffic then returned back to the network. So that is how gateway load balancer works. Let's understand gateway load balancer with a real world example. So imagine a company with multiple firewall security inspection tools. Without gateway load balancer, traffic goes to one firewall, which will cause bottleneck. With gateway load balancer, traffic distributed across multiple firewalls, load balanced and scalable. So gateway load balancer ensures security system can scale just like applications. Now let's understand the key features of gateway load balancer. So the first key feature is, which I would say, is centralized security. All traffic goes through a central inspection rail. Then traffic inspection, every packet can be analyzed, and scalable architecture, which add more firewalls as traffic increases. So gateway load balancer can load balance network traffic. It can integrate with other firewalls also. So gateway load balancer brings scalability to network security. Gateway load balancer is used in enterprise level system, and its use cases are firewall management, intrusion detection system, which I've already illustrated, intrusion detection and prevention systems, and security monitoring. So gateway load balancer is the best choice when you need scalable, centralized and high performance security inspection. This is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.